I am now with the team at Epson. Graham is joining me here on PPMA TV, sponsored by Markham and Marsh, to talk to us a little bit about what they've been up to here at PPMA. How is it going so far? Been busy.
Yes, it has been very busy, yeah. We do this show every year, and it is a very good show for us. We also have a lot of our partners here, so obviously we're a manufacturer, so we work with a lot of the companies here. And yeah, it's always good. We book it every year, always come back, always worth a go. Yes.
Amazing. So for anyone who perhaps doesn't know what Epson does, can you talk us through a little bit about the company?
Yeah, absolutely. So Epson is one of the world's largest manufacturers of inkjet printing systems and also projectors and robots and all sorts of different types of printing and scanning equipment. So, you know, we've been going for a very long time. We've got a sort of 40th anniversary here today of our robot division. You know, people might not think that robots are a thing that's been going for that long, but definitely, yeah. So we've got our fingers in a lot of different pies, but it's, yeah, technology, cutting edge, forefront of print technology and print and scan and projector technology.
And I think everybody, no matter who you are, must have at some point used an Epson product.
Absolutely, yes.
You do cover that whole range.
Yeah, the whole range. We're a major consumer-based company as well, so you'll see the TV adverts at the moment with our Usain Bolt sort of fronting our brand at the moment. So the tagline of just fill and chill for our printers that use, you know, refillable inks and that sort of thing. So yeah, everyone knows Epson. They know the name, they know the logo and the brand, and they know us for reliability as well. But one thing that sort of sets us apart these days is that we're pushing into the more sort of eco-friendly, recyclable areas of printing. So instead of sort of using so many ink cartridges that you'd throw away, we're all about sort of refilling your printers rather than getting rid of stuff that's going to go to landfill. So circular economy and trying to make sure that we're a company that's going to grow into the future and stay with the current trends of recycling and green and energy recycling, that sort of thing. Yeah.
I do think that's really important, like you say, because you are such a consumer and a customer sort of facing enterprise and business. It is something that's really, really important to so many people, and you're really offering a solution that, to be honest, there's not a lot of it out there, especially in this industry with ink specifically. So
Quite challenging.
It must be quite exciting as well.
Yeah, it is. It's quite a challenging thing to do, to sort of recycle in this sort of area, because obviously we're talking about machines made of plastic and metal, and the consumables that go in them historically made of plastic, and maybe the contents made of things that you can't recycle or compost and so on and so forth. So yeah, it is very exciting, and we're sort of even developing certain large machines that are capable of recycling your office printed documents and coming out with fresh paper again in your office environment. So you know, the technology is there and it's coming, and it's kind of what we're all about. You know, it's the thing Epson exists to do, is innovate and come up with the next generation, if you like, of print and projection and everything.
That's really cool. I mean, that's something that I guess people wouldn't even really think of or think that that's a possibility. Just going back to the paper as well, being sort of essentially turned into fresh paper right there in front of you.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, that will be quite the advert when that comes out.
Yeah, it will indeed, yes, yeah, Paper Lab, yes.
So what are some of the machinery and the technologies that you're showcasing here today?
So today, we're mainly here with our business systems and robotics divisions today, because obviously this is mainly a manufacturing kind of show. So around us we've got various inkjet label printers from our Colourworks range of products, and also our industrial robots as well, which we happen to be interfacing with our printers to sort of create a collaborative kind of demonstration, if you like. So printing labels, applying them with robots, and also we have a bit of a showcase of some recyclable label media, which is from one of our partners, so one of our companies that sells our products, but they've also produced this 100% recycled and recyclable media. So we can have a look at that in a little while.
Yeah, well, we can head over there now, actually, and have a little look at it. So is it this one here that you're talking
Yeah,
about,
yeah,
I'll let you go ahead of me just so you can
no problem.
showcase it a bit better. Yeah, I'll get you here.
So on this particular pod, we have two of our entry-level label printers. So the ColourWorks C4000 and the ColourWorks C3500, and both of these are printing our recyclable label demo. I'll set one running, but you can see an example here of some of these labels. So this is an inkjet printable matte paper label, but it has been made from completely recycled material, and it is completely recyclable.
Which is amazing because notoriously these labels aren't so much. So it's really sort of innovative and pushing the industry forward, right?
Typically, things like the adhesives are not recyclable, and it's quite difficult to get product that you can just put on an already recyclable product to make sure that the whole thing is recyclable. Because usually putting a label on a thing stops it being recyclable in its entirety. So it's a great solution from our partner Magnum. And obviously we're fortunate to be able to showcase it on the ColourWorks printers with which it's certified for use as well. So so this is Recycle Pod, if you like.
Great. Oh, I'm loving this. It really is transforming the industry when it comes to sustainability, which I know is a really hot topic. So it's great that you're here.
Yes.
So we are here at PPMA. I mean, it is busy. Trying to hunt you down was hard enough. It's been a very busy stand. And why is it important then that you're here over the next 3 days with everyone from the industry?
Well, really, I mean, you said it at the start, it's kind of about the brand image in a way, and making sure that people know that we're still here and we're still pushing forward with the innovations, because we do have a lot of companies here that either act on our behalf or are our customers. But for us, because we sell through a channel business model, sometimes it's difficult for us to connect with our end users because they tend to purchase from our reseller partners, if you like. So for us in particular, it's really good for us to get the exposure to our end user market, understand what they need, answer their questions, get their wants and why-fors, and can you do this, can you do that? Which, voice of the customer is essential. And for a manufacturer such as us, sometimes that can be a challenge. So to be here, exposed to it all is a major boon. It's a real benefit for us.
Even if you have to blow up 40, well, it's more than 40 balloons there, which you did yesterday.
It wasn't me. No, fortunately, one of our team used to run a party shop.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
So that's their expertise.
Yeah.
Well, listen, congratulations on such amazing innovations and for your 40th anniversary on the robotic side. But do come down and have a chat with Graham and the whole team here at Epson and learn more about how they're really, really pushing the technologies when it comes to sustainability. Thank you.
Thank you.